This is one of the best budget pre-built keyboard currently available. It's the Aula F75 and it's priced at $40 US. Before I continue, I just wanted to clear up any confusion about the price. This keyboard is available for $40 US or even cheaper on Taobao, so if you are from the Southeast Asia region, it will be around that price as well. But if you are from other regions like the US, it will be priced around $70 on Amazon or on Epomaker's website. Alright, back to the video. The Aula F75 has tri-mod connection, a hot swap PCB, and sounds awesome for the price. There's 4 colors to choose from and I went with the light blue variant. Included in the box is the product manual for the keyboard, a quick start guide teaching you how to pair the keyboard with your computer, 2 spare switches, a 2-in-1 switch and keycap puller, a Type A to Type C charging cable, and a hard plastic cover for the keyboard. Alright, the keyboard has a 75% layout with a knob on the top right and an indicator light at the escape and caps lock key. On the front, there's no logos or branding, and on the back, there's the Type C port, connection mode toggle switch, and the 2.4 GHz wireless dongle slot in here. Here is how it looks from the side with the cherry profile keycaps, and the height can be increased with the height adjustable feet. On the bottom, there's 4 rubber feet, the 2 height adjustable feet, and some details of the keyboard in the middle. The whole keyboard is mostly plastic, so it weighs just under 1 kg or 2.2 pounds. It comes with per key RGB, and if you like playing around with the different modes, there's quite a lot here. The RGB is bright and saturated too, as you can see. Besides that, you can customize it more in the Aula F75 driver software too. There's even a feature here that makes the RGB reactive to sound, so you can mess around with that. Personally, I don't see a use case for this, but it does look pretty cool. The driver software also allows you to configure the keyboard like the default layers and functions, and make more macros or import existing ones all in here. The keycaps are cherry profile and double shot PBT. They are around 1.3mm in thickness, and the light blue version I have comes with these white, light blue and dark blue keycaps. Overall, the legends are sharp and the color seems nice and saturated. For the switches, I have the Leobog Reaper switch. It's a linear switch that actuates at 45 grams and bottoms out at 55 grams. The switch has a nylon housing, a palm stem, and has an LED diffuser included. Plus, it also comes factory loop out of the box. So not only does it sound great and feel smooth, it also makes the RGB on the keyboard better. The PCB is 5-pin hot swap with a north-facing layout. This makes it easy to swap out switches, and most of them will fit here as well. The plate-mounted stabilizers are pretty good. They do come with loop and they sound great with no rattle or pinging. The steps on the spacebar also come with some extra foam to help dampen the typing sound. Okay, to open up the keyboard, the knob and the cover for the ports have to be taken out first. After that, the clips holding the top and bottom case together can be pried open. With all of the clips now open, there's just 3 more cables to unplug, which are for the battery, the daughter board, and the knob. So the top case is plastic and it has the clips that hold the case together. The bottom part of the case houses the knob, the daughter board, and the 4000 mAh battery, which is covered by this huge and thick piece of silicone. This helps to fill the hollowness of the case and makes the keyboard sound much more fuller. There's also a piece of Poron foam on the back of the PCB and a PET film and IXPE switch pad with another piece of Poron plate foam in between the plate and PCB. The polycarbonate plate has flex cuts, so it does flex a little. But combined with the silicone gaskets on the sides, it makes for a softer typing experience, as you can see. Altogether, this keyboard has a lot of foam inside and I think it sounds awesome. Now please enjoy the typing sound test. Here are my final thoughts on the Aula F75. For me, I think it's one of the best budget options available right now. For 40 or 70 US dollars depending on your region, you are still getting a feature-packed keyboard that sounds amazing. Plus you don't have to mod it or do anything, it's already a great keyboard. So if you are interested in the keyboard, all of the links will be in the description below for you. And that does it for this video. Thanks to Epomaker for the keyboard and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.